Good afternoon, chickadees. Welcome back to another day. So the last couple of days I have been out for most of the day doing end-of-year doctor appointments, lab work, things like that. So I've missed you for a couple of days. Now today for brunch, I'm going to do some Delicata Squash boats. I have some ground beef that I already cooked up, and I'm going to have that. It's going to sound weird, but I'm going to have that with some Greek yogurt and steak sauce in the little Delicata Squash. This I'm going to cook in the Instant Pot. It only takes 8 minutes under pressure, so I'm going to do that. And then I have some carrots that I forgot about, and they've started to sprout a little bit there. So I'm just going to peel those when I have those. I have some green beans that I need to go ahead and use, so I'm going to cook those. And that's it. That'll be lunch. The other thing I need to do is I want to remake some of my house seasoning, and I have all these separate, but I'm actually just going to combine them. I have a little airtight container and some of the silica packages. So I'm going to combine 1 bag of the umami powder that I use with 4 of the Maggi Magic seasoning, and then this is my tamarind powder that I use. So I'm just going to combine all those, top up my house blend, and that's it. The only thing I need to do is cook the veggies because the meat is already cooked, and then we'll be set for lunch. Welcome back for dinner. Alright, so I have a cod fillet, and I'm going to have that with some lemon herb butter. I have some fresh lemon juice, and I'm going to cook that in the air fryer. Then I have some wild rice. This I'm going to do in the Instant Pot. This takes quite a while. Wild rice, the box directions I think say something like 45 minutes. But in my particular cooker, it's telling me 27 minutes. So that's great. I'll get that on. Then I have the other half of that Greek salad that I made the other day, and this is the last of my asparagus bundle. So I will cook the rice first, and then I'll cook the asparagus and the cod. They're going to take about the same amount of time, and then that will be dinner.